This morning we're here at the Antalya Aquarium, which is one of the world's largest aquarium complexes. It even has the world's largest tunnel aquarium that's 131 meters long and 3 meters wide. They have over 40 themed exhibits, over 200 sharks, and they even give you opportunities to pay a little extra and feed the koi, the stingrays, and the sharks. They have a 3D theater, a snow and ice world, a wax museum, and a terrarium. You can buy a ticket to everything, or you can buy a ticket to select things. I think we're only gonna do the aquarium today. I don't think the kids have any interest in anything else. Isla won't sit through a movie. She doesn't care about a wax museum. She's not really into like the terrarium, the lizards and reptiles. And I don't think this snow world is appropriate for her age. Feeding the fish? They're feeding the fish a bottle. You gonna feed the stingrays?
Yeah,
let me see.
Hold on to it, hold on to it. Hold on to it.
Hold on to it. Hold on to it. Wait. Baby, you gotta hold it. You gotta hold on to it till they come over, right? Daddy's gonna do it? Watch Daddy do it. You're gonna help Daddy? Just do it together. Go ahead, do it together. Help Daddy. Go ahead.
Давай, пробуй.
Here he comes. Look at him. Aww. You get it?
There you go.
You get it? You have to wait till they come over, baby. Wait for them. Wait. It's okay. You did it! Good job! Shall you help him?
Cut it. There's so many shrimp in here. It's okay. He's good?
Yeah. There he goes. A butterfly fish. much fun, really. She was running around everywhere, running into people, running between people. We were chasing her. Great time. We even paid for our picture that they take of you when you go in. Super cute. Love it.
So we drove about 10 kilometers away from the Antalya city center, and now we're at the Duden Waterfalls.
The Duden Waterfalls are formed by the Duden River, which originates in the Taurus Mountains, and there are the Upper Falls and the Lower Falls, which are 20 meters high and 15 meters high. Not quite sure where you go to see them. I think behind us is like a little park. I think we just walk through the park and maybe there's like an observation deck or something. I know it's free, so we're gonna find out when we get out of the car, I guess. Cheese! Ready to go! So it was not free. It was 50 lira a person, but the kids were free. 0 to 6 was free and over 65 was free, but was not free to get in here. Hotel with parrot. Here's the back side of it. There's also a cave or a cavern, but there are stairs, so we gotta leave the stroller here. Looks a little dangerous. Isla still got her snack in her hands.
Let it go,
Your shoes will light the way. Cavern? You wanna go down there? What's down there? What do you think? Go down there, or you can go look at the waterfall? We gotta go down there. We're in the cave. And the waterfall is right there. You wanna go get rained on? You get soaking wet if you go that way. It's like a big puddle. Bye, Dad. Dad's gonna get soaking wet. Are you soaking wet?
Like, dribble. But, it's not all that impressive. You're just a little closer to the waterfall.
Okay.
That's it.
Pretty low ceiling. Duck down. Oh, you okay? Oh no. Oh. You got her? You made it! You're okay. What do you see?
I see waterfalls.
Waterfalls? So the trail, I believe, winds all the way back to the beginning. So we go up all these stairs, go back to the top. We made it back up. You like? Yeah. Oh, the duckies. That's what you're looking at. 2 duckies, you see them? Show me, show me. Good job. It's like a game. Good job, you did it. So we just got totally ripped off at that ice cream place. They were really nice, but they way overcharged us and didn't even give us what we wanted. We just tried to get 1 scoop in a cup for Isla. So we let her pick out which one she wanted. She picked out the banana gelato for some reason. Not a fan, but she picked out the banana gelato, asked for 1 scoop. So the guy starts filling it with multiple scoops. There's like 3 scoops in there, there's a cone in there, this giant cup. And Ryan's like, whoa. And then they had the Turkish ice cream stand right next to the gelato stand. And he was like, oh, try it, try it. So he made Ryan try it. So he said, you pay for this cup and then you can have a cone of this for free for the baby, right? I was like, okay, so Isla gets her cone for free and then I guess me and Ryan will share the cup of ice cream. Which we didn't want, we just wanted a scoop for her. So he does all the tricks and everything, gives us our scoop of Turkish ice cream, and then Ryan asked him how much, and he said 10 euros. So we only wanted 1 scoop of ice cream, and we ended up paying 10 euros. How do you feel about getting ripped off?
Feels great.
Ryan was PO'd. He was angry.
You have to be ready to walk away, and after having promised Isla the ice cream, you can't really walk away.
They already put it in her hand before we even paid, so we kind of were forced to pay that. And if we had said no to that large cup anyways, they would have overcharged for her cone. So, lesson of the day, ask for the price ahead of time. And if they try to put 2 scoops when you said 1, say, no, no, I only wanted 1. And be firm with it, and be ready to just walk away and go somewhere else if they, like, keep it up. Yeah, Ryan was mad. They were all saying goodbye to us, and like I was saying goodbye, and Isla was waving at them, and Ryan just like was like angry face, like let's go, like wouldn't even say goodbye. Like he was mad. So lesson of the day. You know what? We're not gonna go broke because of it. It's gonna help them. I mean, obviously they really need the money. It's not gonna break our back, but we just know for the future it's a lesson. Lesson to us, lesson to everybody. Ask the price ahead of time and be firm and be ready to say no if it's too much. So what we saw here was the Upper Düden Falls. I thought they would both be here for some reason. And I think when I was saying earlier that I read online it was free, I was looking at the Lower Düden Falls because the Lower Düden Falls spill off into the ocean off the cliffs in Antalya. And there's like a park there and an observation deck. You can also take boat tours that come up so you can get closer to it. So what we saw here was only the upper falls. And the lower falls are even taller. The lower falls are the 20 meters high and these upper falls were the 15 meters high. But this one was super cool. It only cost 50 lira. There was a walkway on the top, a walkway on the bottom, and there was a cavern underneath. You can go under in the caves, you can get splashed wet behind the waterfall. It was a pretty cool place. It was tons of restaurants, tons of souvenir shops and cafes and all kinds of things. Benches, basically like a big park. You could hang out there all day, watch the falls. So it's a nice place to hang out. I don't know if we're gonna go to the lower falls today. Probably not. I mean, we could stop by. It's 4 o'clock, so maybe I'll look where they are on the map and then maybe we'll stop by there real quick and take some pictures, or maybe we'll do it another day. We have 10 days here in Antalya, so we have plenty of time, even though our itinerary is pretty like packed. We have a lot of things we want to do here. So we may just end up going back to the Airbnb and doing nothing because I think Ryan's kind of in a sour mood now. You feel better now? About the ice cream that you couldn't even eat? Yeah, let's see where these lower falls are. Check the map and see if we want to do them on the way back or not. And see how these kids' behavior hold up. So the Upper Düden Falls is up here. The Lower Düden Falls is down here. It would take us half an hour to get there. And then our Airbnb is like way over here in this area. So just to get from here back to the Airbnb, I know it's going to take a long time because we've seen the traffic in this area is just terrible. We were out driving at this time of night yesterday and like it was just stopped traffic, really hard to navigate. So I'm guessing this will probably take over half an hour. So I think we're just going to stay for another day. But this is definitely the lower falls. Found the parking lot. There's a park there, places to walk around. This is the one that's free. So I think we're just gonna head in for the night and have some dinner and get ready for tomorrow, because tomorrow we have a very busy day. We need to pack a bag, get everybody ready, set an alarm to wake up early. So let's head on in.
So today we're at the lower half of the Duden Waterfalls, so let's go check them out.
So it is free to go see the Lower Düden Falls. It just spills right over the Antalya cliffs, and there is a free parking lot that we found right in Duden Park. And it looks like the park is pretty big. It looks like there might be a playground over there, some benches, there's a little tea garden. There's some places to eat, I think, around here. But you can just walk right over through the park and go over to the observation deck, and you can see the falls from there. You can also take a boat from the marina out to the falls to see them closer, but I don't think we're gonna do that. We're just gonna walk right over, see the falls from the observation deck, and see if it's just as nice as the Upper Falls. You love Daddy. She just woke up from a nap and she's so hungry. You gonna share with brother? Thank you. Aww. Take his big key out. Oh,
you're gonna eat.
Thank you. I see water. This is the Duden River. Alright, this is the very top of it. I have to go all the way over there to the observation deck to see it. Oh, the doggy's in there. The doggy's in the water. What's he doing in there? You can see a little bit over here, right? That guy's committed to the shot.
Hey, whoa, hey, what up? 100 million. Why? Anaconda, hello. Tiga, tiga. My friend. Okay. Right. Very going to ice cream. Hey, you don't shy cream. Best ice cream. Alright. Yum, 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 yum. Okay, bro. For extra bonus. Okay.
Hey, that's silly. You're silly.
For you. Okay. Alright. Hello. Yes, bro.